Hey everyone, welcome to Study Wave Academy, where curiosity has no limit. Whether you're 6 or 60, grab your imagination and get ready to learn. Because today we're going on a journey through the wonders of science, from the tiniest particles to the farthest galaxies in space. Let's blast off. What is science? Science is more than just lab coats and test tubes. It's a way of understanding the world by asking questions, making observations, and testing ideas. Kid voice, so science is like figuring stuff out. Host, exactly. Every time you ask, why is the sky blue, or how do birds fly, you're thinking like a scientist, tiny building blocks, atoms and molecules. Let's shrink down way down to the world of atoms, everything. You see, your shoes, your snack, even your own body, is made of atoms. Atoms are tiny particles so small you can't see them even with most microscopes. Each atom is like a tiny solar system. The nucleus with protons and neutrons is the center, and electrons zoom around it like planets. Atoms combine to form molecules. For example, 2 hydrogen atoms plus 1 oxygen equals a water molecule. H2O, fun fact. If you lined up the atoms in 1 grain of sand, they would stretch farther than the length of a football field states of matter. Let's talk about the stuff around us. Matter comes in states: solid, liquid, gas, and plasma. Solids hold their shape like your pencil. Liquids flow and take the shape of containers like juice gases. Spread out like air or steam plasma is like supercharged gas, found in lightning and the sun's simple experiment idea. Take ice, melt it into water, and then boil it into steam. Boom! All 3 common states in one life science. What makes something alive now? Let's switch gears to something alive. Biology. What makes something alive? It grows. It reproduces, it responds to its environment, and it uses energy. From ants to elephants, all living things are made of cells. Teeny tiny. Factories that work day and night. Fact bomb. Your body has over 30 trillion cells. Even plants are living things. They take sunlight and turn it into energy using photosynthesis, which is basically their way of eating sunshine, energy, and forces. Question: what keeps a roller coaster moving or a ball flying through the air? The answer is energy and forces. Forces, a push or pull gravity. Pulls things down like when you drop a sandwich. Oops, friction slows things down. Inertia is an object's laziness. It doesn't want to change what it's doing unless a force makes it. Newton's 3 laws of motion: objects in motion stay in motion, force equals mass x acceleration F Emma. Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. Fun example: jump up. Gravity pulls you back down. Blow up a balloon and let it go. It flies the other way because of Newton's 3rd law. The magic of chemistry. Let's cook up some chemistry. Chemistry is the science of reactions. How things change when mixed baking soda plus vinegar equals fizzy explosion fireworks. That's chemistry lighting up the sky. Even digestion, your stomach breaking down food, is a chemical reaction. Try this. Mix red cabbage juice with lemon juice and baking soda. Aubrey, it changes color. It's called an acid-base indicator. So cool Earth science, our living planet. Let's come back to Earth, the ground we walk on, the air. We breathe the weather above us. It's all part of Earth science. The Earth has layers. Crust where we live, mantle, hot rock outer core, liquid metal inner, core solid metal, ball we have volcanoes, earthquakes, hurricanes, and climates. Fun fact, the Sahara Desert was once an ocean into space. Now let's go big. Outer space. Big we live on. Earth, which orbits the sun in our solar system. The sun is a star, a giant ball of burning gas. The moon orbits the Earth. There are 8 planets, Pluto beyond that. Galaxies, black holes, supernovas, and maybe even aliens. Did you know? The nearest star to us, besides the sun, is over 4 light years away. That's about 25 trillion miles. The scientific method. How we learn. So how do scientists learn all this stuff? Through the scientific method, ask a question, do research, make a hypothesis test, it with an experiment analyze data, make a conclusion, then share it with the world. Science is like solving a mystery. Except the clues are everywhere in nature, in the kitchen, in your own backyard. Why science matters. Science helps us invent things, phones, rockets, medicine, understand problems, climate change, diseases, create a better world. It's for everyone, boys, girls, young, old. And you can be a scientist too, so whether you're looking through a microscope or gazing up at the stars, remember this, the universe is full of questions, and science is how we find the answers. Thanks for watching Study Wave Academy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay curious, because the more you learn, the more amazing the world becomes.